Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I hope you are all doing well. Now today in the kitchen I'll be showing you how I made this delicious carrot rice recipe. Now this is a very simple yet flavorful recipe and it comes together really quickly. So if you're ready guys, let's get cooking. To get started, I have some grated carrots, some beef stock, 3 bay leaves, some sliced onions, some tomato and pepper blend, 3 cups of rice, some vegetable oil, and I'll be seasoning with some curry powder, dried thyme, 2 seasoning cubes, and some salt to taste. Now I also have a list of all the ingredients I'm going to be using for this recipe in the description box, so you can check that out much later. So into a pot, I'll pour some vegetable oil and I'll let that heat up for a bit. Then I'm going to be adding some sliced onions and 3 bay leaves. I'm also going to give that a really good mix and I'll let the onions fry until it is soft and fragrant. And this should take about 2 to 3 minutes on medium to low heat. Next, I'll be going in with my tomato and pepper blend, and here I'm using 3 tomatoes, 1 red bell pepper and 3 scotch bonnet peppers. I'll give that a really good stir and make sure everything is well combined, and I'm going to fry this for about 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat. Make sure to always stir at intervals while this is cooking so it doesn't get burnt, because this can get burnt really fast and we don't want that. Now after about 5 minutes, I'll go in with my grated carrots, and this is about 1.5 cups of grated carrots. I'll give that a really good stir and I'll let them fry for about 1 to 2 minutes on medium to low heat. Now if you're still watching, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. Please do me a favor by hitting the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, so you don't miss any of my amazing recipes. Now after about 2 minutes, I'll add some seasonings for flavor and taste, and I'll be using some curry powder, dried thyme, 2 seasoning cubes, and some salt to taste. I'll mix this thoroughly and I'll let it fry for about a minute or so, and while that is frying, I'm going to be stirring at intervals. Next, I'm going to be adding 3 cups of already washed rice. I already went ahead to wash my rice several times with cold water before adding it into the pot. Please make sure to wash your rice really well, and I'll go ahead to stir fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes, and this is going to firm up your rice and also add a distinct toasty flavor to your rice. Please, if you have the time, do not skip this part and you're going to thank me later. I'm going to be stir frying this on medium to high heat. At this point, I'm going to be adding some liquid and I'm going in with some beef stock. I'll give that a really good stir. Then I'll add some water, just enough to cook the rice. Now, if you don't have beef stock, you can also use chicken stock or just plain water. But if you have chicken or beef stock, use it because it will add a really nice flavor to this recipe. It just takes this recipe to a whole new level. Now once I'm done stirring, I'll cover with some aluminum foil to trap the heat, and I'll let that simmer on medium to low heat for about 20 minutes. So after about 20 minutes, the rice is ready, and what I like to do is fluff it up a little with my spatula, stir to combine, and I'll place the lid on again for about a minute or so, and what you have after that is pure perfection, guys. It is super simple, it's easy and doesn't take much time. anyone can make it, and on top of that, it's amazingly delicious, and I can't wait for you guys to try it out and let me know what you think in the comment section. And there you have it, guys. I served mine with some peppered gizzard, but you can serve yours with anything that you like. That's all I have for you in today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please let me know by hitting the like button, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so you don't miss any of my amazing recipes. Thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.